Hey folks, Mobile Geezer coming back at you with my unboxing of the ZTE Axon 10 Pro. So let's get it opened up and see what we've got in the box. And ZTE has included a case. I always love when they include a case. Nice clear TPU case. And there's our fast charging brick. And they include earphones and a dongle. And here's the phone. It's got a 6.47 quad curved 3D AMOLED screen, a beautiful blue, little ZTE branding on the back, the Axon, and there's our 48 megapixel, 20 megapixel wide angle, and our 8 megapixel telephoto camera. So there's our power button, our volume up and down rockers. Up top, a microphone. Left side, nothing. And on the bottom, another microphone, our USB Type-C in, and our bottom speaker. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's the top speaker, front facing. The teardrop notch with our front facing 20 megapixel camera. So let's turn this bad boy on and see if we've got some power, which we seem to have. Nice animation. So I'm going to set this up and put all my information in and get back to you. So now we're all set up. Beautiful screen. Seems pretty snappy with that Snapdragon 855. So I'll show you a little bit of the cameras and I'll do it. So just wanted to show you a few samples from the cameras. This is a little bit of quick front-facing video, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I think that's the highest it'll shoot at. So I'll take a few photos, show you a little bit of the video capabilities of the Axon 10 Pro, and that'll be the end of my unboxing. So here's the rear camera, shooting at 1080p, 30 frames per second, and it'll shoot at 60 frames per second, and it'll shoot at 4K, I think just in 30 frames per second. As near as I can tell looking at the screen, the quality looks absolutely beautiful. We'll just shoot a little bit. I'll change it over to 60 FPS and we'll see what that looks like. So here we are at 1080p, 60 frames per second. And around just a little bit. And we'll walk a little bit. This is just going to be short. I'm just going to show you some quick samples. See the ducks over there enjoying themselves in the water. So here we are shooting at 4K. See the ducks over there enjoying themselves. There's a little bit of pan. This is just handheld, so pardon my shakiness. And now a couple of photos, I think. So there's my quick unboxing of the ZTE Axon 10 Pro. Comes in 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM with an SD card up to 2 TB. I have the 8 GB and that runs $549.98. The 12 GB runs $599.98. Pretty good bargain in my opinion. If I love this anywhere near as much as I love my Axon 7, which I still have, I'm probably going to love this phone. I'll leave a link in the description, and as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.